Hello and welcome to our new lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to define a steel truss in MkaPEB. So let's get started. Let's create a new model for our lesson. File menu, New Project button, and say a new project. Our project name is Steel Truss. I click the Open button. As you can see, there are many types of steel trusses available in MkaPEB. You can select which steel truss is satisfy you. We are going to select the default one. It's type 1. Our truss length is 20 meters, our column length is 6 meters, and distance between the x-axis is 6 meters also. You can also change the support type, but we select the first one. I click OK. The model is loaded. Let's check the truss parameters. To do this, click the Model tab and the x-axis button. Select the truss, then press the Edit button. Edit Truss window is opened. As you can see, it's very similar to the Portal Frames Edit Truss menu. These parameters are shown by the pictures at the right. You can also see a preview at the bottom. Let's say NL and NRL equal. And let's reduce some purlins distance. It's 1.26. And let's add some hash parameter. Then let's change the hash L parameter. We will run to change the members and the truss type in our next lesson. You can also change the member connection type, member all bolted. The other options are the same with the portal frame. So you can change the truss type here also. Let's click OK to create the model. Then apply change to modify changes. Our truss is ready. Let's see the section. After statistical analysis, cost estimation menu, then cross section. As you can see, it's very easy to define a truss in MkaPEB. See you next lesson.